Year 1927. One paper, one discovery, and 300 years of scientific certainty collapsed overnight. For years, science had one belief that if you know where everything is right now, then you can predict everything forever. But then a 26 years old German physicist walked in and he completely destroyed that scientific belief. His name was Werner Heisenberg and he rewrote the rules of reality. Now picture this, you are sitting in a garden with this beautiful butterfly which is flying around you and you want to photograph that beautiful butterfly. And in doing so, if you click fast, then no doubt you will have a beautiful and clear picture of that butterfly. But you will never know how fast that butterfly is moving. And on the other hand, if you click slow, then you can feel the movement of that butterfly, but your image, your photograph will be completely blurred. Anyways, you cannot have both at the same time, a clear picture and the movement of the butterfly. And this is exactly what happens at the subatomic level. The very act of observation changes what you are observing. Simply put, if you want to know the speed, you lose the position, and if you want to know the position, you lose the speed. And Heisenberg discovered that this is not a human error, this is just the universe refusing to be fully known, and he called this as uncertainty principle. The whole scientific world was erupted after this, and it was divided into two parts. One part which was in favor of this uncertainty principle and the other part which was opposing it. But there is this one man who was quite critical of this Heisenberg's uncertainty principle discovery, was the man himself, Albert Einstein. He, after looking at the Heisenberg's discovery, said one very powerful sentence, the sentence which carries a lot of weight in itself. He said that the God does not play dice with the universe. Einstein just said this powerful statement, no counterpaper, no equation, no theorem, nothing. Because Einstein always believed that universe was perfect, in order, certain, and it is governed by absolute laws. And the idea that the reality itself was uncertain was something Einstein could never digest. So two great minds and two opposite views. But Einstein never surrendered and he carried his conviction to his grave. But history proved Heisenberg right. We all know of quantum mechanics. Everything that we touch today runs on uncertainty principle. From a smartphone in your hand, to the chip inside your smartphone, to the MRI machines, to the transistor which runs every single computer on this planet. Everything works on uncertainty principle which Einstein refused to accept. And yet that powerful statement by Einstein, those 8 words, that powerful sentence that the God does not play dice with the universe, which was written in complete disagreement, in opposition, but with absolute conviction, is still quoted even after 100 years. So that's the power of English language. With the right words and at the right time, you can left a mark on the history. So don't just communicate in English, master English. Follow Aarvex.